Hi, today I'm going to make African violets, a really beautiful and lovely flower which comes in all shapes and colors. They have such a variety of colors, it's fascinating to make them. And these can easily be gifted as gifts, just like this, in pots. Material required are crepe papers in any floral color. I have taken purplish pink and green, brown floral tape. If you don't have this, you can cut a strip from the brown colored crepe paper and use that. Some small headed yellow pips, a brush and white acrylic paint, thin wires, lots of them, and the scissors which cut scallop edges. The stencils and measurements are given at the end of video. Cut a 4-inch long piece from the thin wire. Then take the paper from which you are going to make the flowers and cut half a centimeter wide and about 1 inch long strip from it. Stretch it and apply glue on it. And wind this on top of the wire. Like this. Take the pips and cut them in half. So take 6 pips like this. Apply glue on them on the stem. So just hold the top and apply glue on the top, on the stems of the pips. Hold them from the base and stick them on this wire, leaving about half a centimeter to 0.75 centimeter from the top. So just like wind it around the wire so that it sticks properly, preferably in a clump. Take the petals, 5 petals in a flower. First curl them, then take the white acrylic paint and just apply this on the edge of the petal. So you get a white border on the petal. Like this. So even if you have a slightly smudged area, it doesn't matter. So do this with all the other petals. Now leave the petals out to dry and take the wire that we prepared with the pips and just put a dab of glue on the top of the wire. I don't know if you can see, this is what it looks like, and leave this also to dry. Now take each petal and give crimps on the edge, all along the edge. So this is what you get. Do this with all. Now take each petal, apply glue on the stem at a slant, like this, and then stick the other one at an angle on it. Then take another petal, apply glue first, again at an angle, and stick the next petal on it. So apply do like this, and after the glue has dried, apply glue on the base in a circular form. Now take the center that we made with the pips, put it just above the glue line, the pips, fold one side over and stick the other side on it. So you get a shape like this. Now while you're holding the base, just open out the petals. And this is what you get. Now take the piece for the sepal. Apply glue on the base and wind it at the base of the flower. Like this. Then take the brown tape, cut about 3 to 4 inches, stretch it and wind it from the base of the sepal till about halfway of the wire. Right. Before you reach the end of the wire, you can take, like I've already made a bunch of flowers like this. So just attach a bunch to the flowers like so. Make bunches like this. So you can make bunches of 3 flowers or 2 flowers or 4 flowers. For the leaf, first take the scissors which cuts scallop edges, and about from halfway of the point of the leaf, just cut out scallops. Like this, and halfway. So do it on the other side also. So what do you get? Now take a pair of scissors or any pointed edge and then just score on the leaf. First the center vein and then the side veins. This is what you get. Now just where we've cut the scallop edges, just curl that side on both the sides. So your leaf looks like this with slight curled edges. Now cut a piece of wire, again 4 inches to 5 inches long, and take a piece of the tape, brown tape, stretch it. First wind it on top of the wire. About 1 centimeter long. Then take the leaf. Now put this wire behind the leaf. Like this. And just wrap the tape over on the stem of the leaf onto the wire tightly. So just wind the tape on the wire. And at the back, first just apply glue on the wire and stick it on the leaf. So this is basically just to support the leaf and to maintain its shape. It doesn't move. And this is the leaf you get. So I've done it with the other leaves, the bigger sizes and the small sizes. Now I'm going to assemble the flowers and the leaves. So cut out a long piece from the brown tape. Stretch it. Take any one bunch. So I'm taking the one which has the longest wire and just start winding it midways and attach another bunch on it. Flowers. Give one whirl and then put the other bunch. And try to put all the bunches at almost the same height on the top. I'm leaving a gap of about an inch. Start attaching the leaves. So I'll attach all the small leaves first. Just hold it on the stem, give one whirl, attach all the leaves in a circular manner all around the flower bunch. Like this. And I broke my tape, so I'll just start again. The front of the leaf should be facing the bunch while you're doing this. So just attach. After you attach all the small leaves, attach all the bigger leaves in the same way all around the bunch. So I'm using about 7 small leaves and 7 big leaves. I'm putting them all around the flower bunch. This is what it looks like. Now just open out the leaves, make them at 45 degrees angle. First the bigger ones, making a kind of a circle around the bunch. And then the smaller ones. And this is what the whole thing would look like. Now I've made other flowers, since African violets have a great variety, diversity of flower shapes and colors, even the leaves. So like for instance this one I have made with the outline and crimped leaves. This one is just slightly crimped and no lines. And there's another one which has just the crimps. So I made 3 kind of bunches like this. All the measurements are in centimeters. This is the stencil for the petal. This is 4 centimeter high and 2.25 centimeter wide. The stem is 1.5 by 0.75. Cut 5 pieces per flower. This is the stencil for the sepal. This is 1.5 by 1.5 and it has got these jagged edges. So cut 1 piece per flower. These are of the leaves. Cut as many leaves as liked. So this is of the small leaf. This is 4.5 centimeter wide and 7.5 centimeter high. The stem is 1.5 by 0.75 and the bigger leaf is 7 centimeter wide and 10 centimeter high. The stem is 2 by 0.75 centimeters.